Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence. This is their part number Srpphgk. This is a package of gaskets for their Senior Prima hinge. We're going to go over that right now. When you buy a package of these gaskets, you're going to be actually purchasing two sets, and the Prima is a pivot sort of application piece of hardware. The Prima is going to be able to handle glass thickness from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Pardon me, it's 1/2 inch for the Senior Prima. What you're going to have on the gaskets are going to be a total of 4. A couple of thin and a couple of thick gaskets. These are black neoprene. Sometimes clear is available as well. I don't know if the Senior Prima gasket is available. Let me take a look in clear. It is indeed. So the clear, the advantage of the clear is that it's, quite frankly, it's more durable. It's plastic and it's longer lasting with exposure to water. The neoprene will fatigue prior to plastic, but nonetheless, these are black. The plastic is clear, so that might be how you'll determine which one to use. Okay, so let me give you the dimensional properties. Both of the thin and the thick are identical width and height. So about 4.5 inch overall height. Overall depth, about 2.5. The inside height of the cutout prep, it's about 2 9/16. The width of that cutout prep is about 1 3/4. The neoprene will feature a fin, and that's to help isolate the glass away from the metal hardware. The clear do not feature that. Now the thickness of these. Caliper. The thick, 0.059. 0.059, so basically a 16th of an inch thick. 0.059. The thin is going to be probably 20 thousandths. 0.025, so 25 thousandths of an inch, so less than half. So 25 thousandths and then 59 thousandths thickness. And you can see that there's a difference in the thickness there. For the Senior Prima, this is the replacement gasket. Very common to buy gaskets only. They do fatigue, as I had mentioned earlier, and it's nice to be able to frankly buy replacement gaskets so that you can continue to get useful and safe operation out of your shower door hardware. I've had to replace gaskets in the past because they fatigue, and what happens is that the door begins to tip into the opening, so you've got weather stripping attached, or in this case maybe on the bottom, and it starts to wear excessively, and sooner or later that is just going to fail. The adhesive holding the gasket on, or however it's held, U-channel, it will wear, and it's really better to replace that gasket as soon as possible because it's unsafe and it will cause other issues, is the bottom line, which is typically how it is. The 5-cent or the $10 item, if it fails, will not allow the $1,000 item not to work at all. Now, the name C.R. Lawrence is quite synonymous with all things shower door enclosure related, whether it be gaskets or the hinges that the gaskets are used with, towel bars, push and pull bars, all the hardware that's used to install that material, screws, etc. Every color under the sun for the finished hardware is reviewable from the link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up the shower door full catalog, and then also from there you can review all of the other shower door hardware in general. If you have any questions on the C.R. Lawrence Senior Prima Srpphgk replacement neoprene gasket set or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.